Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a wonder hair treatment for hair growth. This treatment will not only grow your hair, it will give you like smooth, silky, shiny hair naturally. You only need 2 ingredients for this hair gel, and if you don't want to use the second ingredient, you can actually just use the one ingredient that I'm about to talk about. But before I move into the recipe, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do hit the subscription box below and also hit that little bell icon so you guys never ever miss a video from me. And also make sure you watch till the very end, because the technique for this gel is a little bit different than my usual like hair oils and hair serums. So I'm gonna jump straight into the recipe. It is super simple. The only thing you need are flax seeds. Flax seeds are easily found in the supermarket. They are jam-packed with healthy fats. They're packed with omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. They are also packed with vitamins A and E. They also have a whole heap of other vitamins and minerals which are going to help grow your hair and give you really smooth, silky, shiny hair naturally. So this recipe is super simple. If you've got longer hair, you might need to double the ingredients, but all you need is half a cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water. That is the ratio that I use, so you can adjust the ratio to like your hair length. I've got extremely long hair, so that's why I use like that much. But the thing is, you have to remember that when you do cook the gel, it will like evaporate and it will become less gel. So all you're going to do is measure this out. You can soak the flax seeds if you want to for more gel, and then I'm just going to boil it. You only need to boil it for a couple of minutes before it becomes like a jelly texture. And then what you want to do is you want to use a pantyhose or a sock, but use a thin sock. Put the gel in it like this, and then you just want to squeeze out the gel. So when you put it in something like this and squeeze out the gel, the seeds are going to get stuck in there and you can start squeezing out the gel. I recommend just getting like a jar, or you can get a plate like me. And I actually just sit there and squeeze all of the goodness out. So as you can see, the gel is coming out from the bottom. I recommend using a really thin cloth. This is the only sock I could actually find, which we don't need, but then you're just going to keep doing that and taking out the gel. Just gather the gel in a jar or even in a plate. This is like the gel on my hands. So all you need for this hair gel is you want to just put this in a little jar, get all the gel up, and then you want to put a couple of drops of lavender oil, and you can actually apply this to your dry washed hair. So if you've got curly hair, you can actually use this on your hair like a hair gel, and this will give you really nice defined curls. Just leave it in your hair. You don't even need to wash it off. If you're using this as a mask though, I would recommend to put it all over your hair, but also on your scalp. So you want to get the gel. So this is what the gel looks like when you've got the lavender oil in it, and you just want to rub it into your scalp. Make sure you cover your entire scalp and just tie your hair. You can leave this in for as long as you want because it is so like gentle, and then just wash it right out. This will start growing your hair up to 1 to 2 inches within 1 week, guys. It works wonders because it's so packed in like the fatty acids. It will really nourish your scalp and also help with dry scalp. So make sure you guys try this at home. Let me know if you do try it, and also don't forget to hit that little subscription box below so you guys never ever miss a video from me. Until next time, guys, bye.